This is our third week in Charleston fun, and we are having a lot of fun. This could be the most fun, mostest fun, funnest tutorial that I have ever done with bad grammar. So we are working on tandem Charleston. So we got into tandem, we got out of tandem Charleston last time, which we're going to continue to do, but this time we added a lift in our tandem and we added a turn in our tandem. So I'm going to just take off from where we were last week. We're going to do some full step jitterbug. I'm going to do an outside turn to the left, right, and then I'm going to wind her up, kind of wind my body, wind her up, and then I'm going to pull her back, and we're going to land in tandem together. Angle this way a little bit. So we're going to do a tandem turn. So I'm going to use my left hand to wind her up on 1, 2, and then turn her on 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do it from a different angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Land back in tandem. Do it from this angle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 5. Okay? And now we're going to work on a lift in tandem. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, and I'm going to do a small. It's a small starburst, and I'm going to do a little, and we're both going to kind of land in a squat. Okay? So I'll count it out. We'll go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Do it again. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. Sorry. Do it from a different angle. Okay, ready? 5, 6, 7, 2, 6, 7, 8, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1. And remember, we do our tucks and our push turn to get out. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And we're ready to go back into our jitterbug or limbo. And that is your week 3 tutorial.